Welcome to Tasha D Come and See channel. Hello, history buffs. Today, we dive into one of the most harrowing periods in African history, Liberia's first civil war, a tragedy that unfolded from 1989 to 1996. This is a story of struggle, survival, and the quest for peace amidst chaos. The roots of the conflict trace back to political and ethnic tensions that simmered for decades. Liberia, founded by freed American slaves, was a nation of rich culture and promise. But by the late 20th century, it was also a land of deep-seated division. On December 24, 1989, Charles Taylor, a former government official, launched an armed rebellion against President Samuel Doe. Taylor's National Patriotic Front of Liberia, NPFL, quickly gained momentum, drawing support from many disillusioned Liberians. What followed was a brutal civil war that would last 7 years and claim the lives of an estimated 200,000 people. The violence was unrelenting. Villages were razed, families torn apart, and child soldiers were recruited to fight on the front lines. The war raged on, with multiple factions vying for control. The independent National Patriotic Front of Liberia, led by Prince Johnson, broke away from Taylor's NPFL, adding another layer of complexity to the conflict. By 1990, the situation had reached a boiling point. The Economic Community of West African States, ECOWAS, intervened, deploying a peacekeeping force known as ECOMOG. But peace was elusive. Monrovia, the capital, became a battlefield with civilians caught in the crossfire. Amidst the chaos, acts of unimaginable horror occurred. The infamous St. Peter's Lutheran Church massacre in July 1990 saw over 600 civilians killed by government forces. The images of that tragic day remain etched in the memories of those who survived. Despite multiple ceasefires and peace talks, the fighting continued. The war saw the rise and fall of several interim governments. Yet hope began to emerge in 1995 with the signing of the Abidjan Accord. This agreement laid the groundwork for disarmament and elections. Finally, in 1997, Liberia held its first democratic elections in over a decade. Charles Taylor won the presidency, promising to bring stability to the war-torn nation. But the scars of the Civil War were deep, and the road to recovery was long and arduous. The First Liberian Civil War left an indelible mark on the country. It was a period of profound suffering, but also of resilience and hope. The people of Liberia endured unimaginable hardships, yet they never lost their spirit. Today, as Liberia continues to rebuild, it's crucial to remember those darkest days, to honor the memories of the fallen, and to ensure that such a tragedy never happens again. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more historical retrospectives. Until next time, from Tasha D and the team, be blessed.